We moved the digital transformation strategy to a customer experience strategy, and we represented to the board a 5-year vision and why we needed to change it from something that was technology-led to something that was customer-led.
The board has, at its core, a governance role. And we need to make sure that they can perform that role as to the best of their ability, and that's to a level of understanding about, what we're talking about and what they're signing off. So we put a lot of effort into education.
The genesis of the Telstra digitisation strategy really was a recognition from our board that Telstra needed to move much faster and we needed to almost disrupt ourselves. And if you go in and ask anyone in Telstra what T22 is, they'll know that it's about our 3-year company transformation. And I think that enabled the whole company to move in the same directions. To make the most out of your digital channels, it takes a lot in terms of data, personalisation, experimentation, experience, you name it. It takes a lot to actually create an amazing digital experience. And our board's, been very, very open to learning more. So we feel very supported.